In this video, you'll learn how to remove someone from Slack. By following these steps, you will successfully deactivate a user from your workspace, ensuring they can no longer access your team's channels and messages. Begin by opening the Slack application on your device. Once you are logged in, navigate to your workspace by selecting it from the sidebar. You will see a list of channels and direct messages on the left side of the screen. This is where you will manage your workspace settings. Next, find and click on the admin option located in the sidebar. This section is typically represented by an icon or label that indicates administrative controls. After selecting admin, you will be directed to the admin settings page, which allows you to manage members and settings for your workspace. After that, click on the manage members option within the admin settings. This action will bring up a list of all current members in your workspace. Here, you can search for the specific user you wish to remove. Ensure you identify the correct user before proceeding to the next step. Once you locate the user, click on the three dots icon next to their name. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to that member's account. Take a moment to verify that you have selected the correct individual before moving forward. Next, select Revoke Invitation. If the user is yet to accept their invite, or choose Deactivate User if they are already active. A confirmation message may appear informing you of the consequences of deactivating the user's account. It is important to read this message carefully to understand what will happen. After reviewing the information, you will see a warning that states the member will no longer be able to sign into the workspace. This notification is crucial as it confirms the action you are about to take. Make sure you are fully aware of the implications of deactivation. You will also notice a message indicating that the member's messages and files will still be accessible in Slack. This is an important point to keep in mind as it ensures that team collaboration remains intact even after the user is removed. Now click on the Deactivate button to finalize the removal process. This action will effectively remove the user from your workspace. A confirmation screen may appear, providing you with a final opportunity to confirm your decision. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.